Hello guys, this is Fola Apparel. Today we are making this crisscross blouse. This is my my baseline, and the paper is on fold, as you can see. So I'll be making this for my miniature. So the back measurement is 8, which is also the shoulder measurement. The bust is 17.5. The waist is 14. The hip is 18.5. The half length is 7.5, while the blouse length is 10.5. So now here I'll mark out the back measurement divided by 2, which is 4. So for the shoulder slope, I will use quarter of an inch. This is a miniature, it is small. So for your own, you can use your normal 1 inch you normally use. So for the neck width, I'll use 1.5. Then connect this way. Now for the chest line, I'll use 3.5. For the armhole depth, anyone you call it, I'll put a straight line on it. The half length is 7.5, while the blouse length is 10.5. So make it this way. So now I'll measure what I have here, which is 4. I'll mark it here, then connect it with a straight line. So the bust divided by 4, I'll mark it on the chest line. That's 17 divided by 4. It'll give me 4.375, something like that. So it's here. I don't need to add any allowance. I'll add it on the fabric. So the waist divided by 4, that's 3.5. I'll mark it here. The hip divided by 4, that's 18.5. Something 18.5. So then I'll connect there. So now I'll locate the midpoint of this. That is 1/3 coming by like quarter of an inch. I don't need to use half. This is small. This is a small size, very very small size. So this is what we have. Then I will cut it out. So now I'll open it up like this. So from the center front, I'll mark out 3 inches down. You can measure how deep you want it to be on yourself. Do you get? So now I'll mark 3.5. Then after that I'll mark 1 inch, then 1 inch, another 1 inch. So it is okay like this. So then I'll connect this up. So now for the other part, on this I'll mark out 1 inch for the first line here. On the second line, no, this is the second line here, I'll mark out 1 inch. The third line, I'll mark out 1 inch, adding some extra. See, this tape is not showing well. Let me bring out a better one that you see what I'm measuring. So now on the second line here, I'll mark out 1 inch here. I'll mark out 1 inch plus this, that's like 1.1, like this. On the fourth line, I'll mark out 1/4. On the fifth line, to be 1/4, then plus extra one like this. On this, the next one, that'll be 1.5, and on the last one, that'll be 1.5, then plus extra. You just be adding to it. So now I'll just connect it. I'll take my ruler and start marking this out this way. So you can see the ruler is touching the ruler. As you can see, the ruler will touch the center point, then also the line you mark out. So now for the last one, just come down like this. So the next thing you do now is to start cutting it. So now this part here, we are cutting it away. We are cutting this away. So now this is what we need. This is what we need. I'll be using a Duchess. This is a Duchess material. I'm using a Duchess. Then you spread out your pattern. You spread it out. For this, I'll be using 1.5 inches. I'll be using 1.5 inches for the spacing. So now you cut it out, leaving some extra allowance. Now you fold it this way, like you are closing back the extras that you have inside. You fold it, you pin it, you put it down with the pin. So now you will press it, you iron it very well. So this is after pressing it. Now you start cutting out the shape, adding like extra half inch allowance. So if you are making this for yourself, you should cut lining for it. So since I'm not using lining for this miniature, I'm just going to hem the upper part with the hemming gum. So now you start splitting it. This go like this. Then you cover it up with this. Ouch. So now cover this up with this. This is what to have. Give it a good press. So the next thing you do now is to tack the all this inner part. You tack it. You can use your machine. Just pick it. You sew it. You sew it like tiny sewing. But I'm going to untack it. And this is the final result, guys. See you all next time. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do click on the like button, share this video. If there's anything you don't understand, ask me. I'm here for you. Bye, guys.